Upon registration, first, prepare the following documents: PSA birth certificate, identification card, transcript of records for college students, and Form 138 or Form 137 for high school students. On your preferred search engine, enter the link http:/admission.pma.edu.ph. If you have your registered account on this site, continue signing in the form. But if it's your first time, click the Not Registered Yet Sign Up text. To sign up, enter your first name, middle name, last name, including your birth date, email address, and preferred password for your account. After which, check I agree and wish to continue to read the terms and conditions of registering your account, and verify that you are not a robot by tapping I'm not a robot cookie. Successfully, click Next. For your personal information, first, select the nearest examination venue on your area. We check your first name, middle name, and last name. Might as well enter your suffix and nickname if there is any. Select your birthday, then your place of birth, religion, and gender. For your requirement, upload your PSA birth certificate and TOR for college student and Form 137 or Form 138 for high school students. Click the Survey tab and answer the following questions. After answering, click Save Changes, and you're done! Congratulations on your first attempt! For the meantime, regularly check your email accounts for the PMA examination permit and follow us on Facebook through our official page, Philippine Military Academy Facebook. Good luck and mabuhay, aspirant!